back to my channel. It's ahyannachardae and I'm back with another video. You just sent me a wig. Period. I have all the details to this specific wig down below. I feel like that's a whole lot better. Ignore my background. As y'all saw in the previous video, I am moving upstairs. I'm going back to my room because it gives me more space to do my content and live. They sent me this 30-inch curly baby. She's curly. Now, the one thing I will say is it's darker in person than it was on the website. Now, I don't have a problem with that. I don't, because I mean, I kind of like darker hair on me anyway now, more so than lighter hair, but it has highlights in it. She's cute. She's cute. We're about to wash this puppy. She's so flowy. I'm excited.
It's a little boy.
Okay, so I was supposed to do my hair last night, but I couldn't find the bleach, so I had to go get it, and now I'm about to bleach these knots. It is time. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I want you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. Y'all, this is the shading. Now, mind you, I plucked this wig last night, and this is all the shading from it. Y'all be so happy when I already have my hair braided down. Then it's like when I got it braided down, I leave it braided down for a long time. It's not just sulfur 8, okay? This is more than that. The original Blue Magic, sulfur 8, and I think jojoba oil. You alive, I'm sorry, you don't. Run this like cardio. I said I like it like that. Ooh, that heat being trapped ain't no jerk. I said, yeah. Can I come see you? Can I come? Ow. Yeah, you need to put some makeup on that lace, baby, cause it's a little ashy. Can you say ashy? Ashy. I feel like it's a learning experience. Y'all want to go on this journey together? And that band left a freaking, what you call it, on my forehead. I hate that. Okay, here we go. Gather all around. You don't want to miss this show. If you don't know it's about to get serious, Miss Roxy is... She say curious? My looks will make you delirious. As long as you think you're a 10 out of 10, that's all that matters. You remember that. You remember that. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise either. Only place you wanna be right now. Your party ain't a party without me. The L's me. That's what I said. That's what. Ouch. Are her concerts like standing up or is it sitting down? Like, does she have chairs in her venues and stuff? Cause I don't know. Like, if I'm standing up for all them hours, and y'all, you can get this to her if you want to. If I'm standing in your venue for all them hours, and you don't put me on that stage, we gonna have some problems. Yes, honey. I need to go get my mousse. Why would you even tell somebody that they look easy to cheat on? That's some of y'all, I swear, I'm just gonna pray for y'all, because what the hell? Who thinks about that? Like, you looked at somebody and said, oh yeah, you look easy to cheat on. What is wrong with some of y'all? Guys, some of y'all just really grind my gears. The stuff that y'all say, not only is it unnecessary, but it's ignorant. Like, come on. Child, I don't know what they doing, but you could have kept that shit. I just be like wanting to know what the fuck is wrong with some of y'all. Like, what? Who hurt you? I need to put some makeup in that part. I don't know. I always forget that step. I really want some of y'all to do better, especially when y'all getting in people's lives. First of all, y'all don't know what that person day has looked like. You don't know if they're having a good day, a bad day, and they just on here putting on a smile on their face or whatever. You just don't know. And then some of y'all get in people's lives and y'all be going stupid in freaking comments and saying dumb shit that really just don't make no fucking sense. And that person really could be having a bad day. And then y'all get them banned because if they say something back to you, now y'all reporting the live saying, oh, they said this type of comment, racist, this. Think about what you do to people before you do it. It's just really not okay. It's not. I learned to just let y'all have y'all stupidity, because y'all ain't doing nothing but self-projecting. Yes. But y'all, that's basically it for the hair. Thank you so much to Shein for sponsoring this video. Y'all see it? Like, look at the length. That's crazy. But anyway, thank you so much, Shein, for sponsoring this video. I love y'all so much. I'm going to link everything down in the description box below. Do not forget, if you want the details about this unit, everything's down below. I love you guys. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.